Welcome. Today I will go over unboxing of this webcam from Logitech, the C922 Pro. So anyway, I just jump straight to it. So this is a 1080p 30 frames cam, or you can drop it to 720p and record at 60 frames. So anyway, let's just pop it open now. This looks kind of opened already, but oh well. It's a webcam, so hopefully it won't look too bad. Just like yank it out of there. Okay, so get some more folded up paper, and we get actually a little tripod for this. That's interesting, to be honest. And here we get our cam. It's obviously USB Type A. There we go. So this unfolds and you can prop it on your monitor. So you just kind of like place it on a lip like this. There we go. You can also flip this over. Well, obviously if you're planning to use it with this, which probably won't have the best camera view. There we go, the absolute like nose shot, you know, even though it's still kind of off. There we go, that's the position that I wanted, looking straight up my nostrils. Sweet. So anyway, much more to this. It's just a little webcam, so there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.